Greetings, everyone. Along with Eddie Olczyk, Mike Emmerich, looking forward to a high-scoring contest tonight.
Well, at least maybe for one team, Doc, because one team certainly has the ability to fill the net as well as any team in the entire league.
Let's look at the starting netminders. Marc-Andre Fleury gets the call to the goal crease. Half his life ago, at age 15, he was playing major junior hockey for the Cape Breton Screaming Eagles, and he dreamed of making a save that would win his team a Stanley Cup. He did just that for Pittsburgh in a Game 7 10 years later. Varlamov's the last line of defense for the Avalanche. A memorable year. He may look back on this as the best in his career. It's fun for him to be in goal right now. We have a thrilling evening of hockey ahead. Colorado's got the puck, and they get to make the first play.
The Avs had a lot of things clicking in their last game, and it resulted in the win. Confidence is high coming into this one.
Let's it go. Oh, that one hit someone on the way. Right near the line, can he keep it going? He scores! An early one. Will it be often, though?
Varlamov's beat low on the glove side. That's a real quick release that he can't get to.
You always hope if you're paying the price of admission as a home fan that your team scores first. In this case, it has.
So far, they got their money's worth early in this game.
Snapping a pass to Haula.
His 60th of the season.
Collected by James Neal. Great stick save. The poke check worked. On to Haula. Tries to get it on net. Colorado's in possession as they travel in their own end. Gets in, looks over his options here. Fires. Outstanding save off a chance. What a ripper! Hit the post with the shot. Picks it up back there. That one's right on his stick from the right side. Wrist shot. Save! Thinking attack here. Puck loose because of that hit. Two sticks together, they cancel. Into the end of attack. Couldn't get through there. Propelled to Barberio. The offense was strong, but the pad had the answer. Pitching it to Engelland. Puck loose, couldn't get through. The Avs battling along the boards. Gathered in by Como. Slid to Smith. Save! Good job with the stick. He's got that pass at the point. The shot blocked. Shot on. Moving it to Como. Colorado's looking to head man up the wing. Laid on to Nieto. Looking to Reeves. Pitching this one to Belmont. Oh, and he is drilled.
Reeves is flying around the ice, and he's being as physical.
Oh, and he robbed him. Moving it on up the wing. Lets it go. Picks it up in his own end. Blocked away. Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Caught the crossbar with the shot. Oh, what a terrific save in close.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Lots on that to Lindholm. Chip to McKinnon. Using the point, he's got it. And off target with that one.
Every once in a while, you unload a clunker. That was one of them.
shoots one. Shooter tempted to stare at the ceiling on that one. What a glove grab.
The shooter's not often aiming the puck. He wants to get rid of it as quickly as he can. This was a beautiful relief, but it clanged off the crossbar.
Good face-off win. Shoots. That hits somebody. Back and forth they go between the points. Score! Oh, no! The referee's waving it off. No goal.
The Avs turn en masse towards the referee. They're looking for a no-goal call. They're going to get it. That's goalie interference. Zadorov's blocked so many pucks over the last couple of games. You would think you'd like to stick handle one of them once in a while.
The Golden Knights control from the neutral zone. Boom! Heavy collision there.
He didn't let him off the hook there at all, Doc. He crushed him into the boards.
We have a winner. The Avs lug that along up the wing. On to Zadorov. He takes that one right ahead. Good pass. Wonderful block. Puck loose, he couldn't get by. Passing one off now to Carlson. And he gains the zone. Shoots. Perfect tip by the stick. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. Good block, and puck possession comes from that. Propelled to Yakupov. Up the wing and still with it. One into another.
Yakupov's shaken up, Doc. That was a bone rattler.
Still on the move in their own end. Knocked right off the stick. Play is stopped, and now we'll hear the call. The Avs are boxed for 2 minutes. The call is slashing.
He's making like Paul Bunyan out there. That's a 2-minute slash.
There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. Face-off win here. That pass didn't work. He was canceled out. Brilliant play by the defender. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. The Avs shoot it back out. Got some time to check the clock and prepare to defend again. Pass attempt to Tatar.
Last minute of play.
Puck's loose off the enemy this time. And that one's sent back out. So on this power play, they will resume from their own end of the ice. Trying to go to Haula. Fires! A lightning-like glove save. A whistle and a rest. They win it. He throws it there. Very important if he can clear this puck out. The puck is cleared out, and that should do it. The opening period has been completed. Only 1 goal scored, and 2 periods yet to go.
Hey fans, great tickets are still available to our next home game. Please visit the box office and get them while they last.
Vegas has gotten the go-ahead goal, and it looked just like this as we head to break. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What stuck out for you?
Colorado's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
The Avs have killed it all.
Some power plays are more important than others, and when you're in a position in the game like this, it would be nice to come through. They just didn't seem to have any set plan about what they were trying to accomplish on that power play.
Has that point pass as well. Shoots one. A shot that went way off the mark.
Boy, that puck was really humming off the stick. Unfortunately, it missed the net badly.
Save, but just barely.
The Golden Knights rely on him for a lot of their offensive production, and he's delivered. He can score on the power play, scores off the rush. He's a real versatile player.
Good job on the draw. Colorado setting it up as they move through center. Swept on to Johnson. Around through the corner. Forcing attention in deep. Up to the point. Masterful save of an overwhelming one-time shot. Knocked it away with the stick. Carried to the corner boards. That's a marvelous save.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Good stick presence.
Vegas's team play has forced another turnover in this tight game.
The Avs look to make a difference up the wing. Hammered. They score! And they've tied the game up.
Oh, that shot was heavy and dangerous. Good thing it didn't hit anybody.
Fleury's down in his butterfly a little early. That opens up the top of the net, and he gets beaten cleanly.
Colorado's got the game even up again. Still in the second period. Lots of time. Can't wait to see what happens now. Solid win at center ice. Now what? He gains the zone. He takes that point pass. Good place to shoot from, and he does. Puck covered, whistle blown.
The Avs always want to play a physical game, and their leader is right here. He always has among the highest hit totals in the league. He is a pinball on ice.
Over 6 minutes played. Scrappy game. Both of these teams have connected once. And in flight over the line. He is shut right off.
I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this game.
Let's go, Arister. Barbario's carrying it back in his own end, hoping for neutral ice. Looks ahead to start something. Slid to Carlson. Shoots one. Blocked. Laid on to Engelland. Muscled right off it. Colorado's in possession and moving up the wing. Drilled. A wonderful scoring chance denied. Look at this chance. Wonderful save. It didn't look like he had a thing to shoot at.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Been a long time since this wasn't the garden variety stop for a goalie. Down in the butterfly, turned aside.
Good job on that faceoff, tying the man up. Just couldn't find the target. A shot, got it all.
That was all positioning, right into his glove.
Shoots, great point-blank save.
Neither team is giving up much in the way of room or scoring chances. Every inch of the ice is being...
Score! Might not have been his target for the year, but it's a good one to arrive at. 30 goals.
When you're thinking about taking a wrist shot, it's all about weight transfer. Transferring your weight from your back foot to your front foot when you're shooting that puck. That's exactly what happened there.
That's the shot there, Edzo. Low to the stick side. The goaltender can't get to it.
The Golden Knights have broken the tie, and we're still in the second period. Much uncertainty about which way this game's going to go. And they've won the faceoff.
That's his 30th of the season. Scored by number 19.
Stick to stick, he's got it.
41.
Takes it to the corner.
29. Marc-Andre Fleury.
Pass comes to him from the crease.
10 minutes, 25
Vegas
seconds.
wanting to generate something. They'll try up the wing. Wonderful save. A shot. Lets it go. Great chance, but he missed.
He only had one option. That was to go to the backhand, but he just missed the net. Varlamov's playing net better than anyone right now. He's doing whatever it takes to keep the puck out of the net.
A little under 8 minutes left to go in the period. We had a tie game until just moments ago. It's a one-goal contest. They win the draw. Colorado's got it in their own end. Side to side they go. Hung right over him and couldn't get it past.
Terrific stop from right in front of the net. You know what, Doc? I'd like to see these teams play this way while they're playing instead of after the whistles.
The fight is over and a surprising outcome.
What a shocking surprise, but will this have an impact on the outcome of the game?
Well, the home team's just rolling right over top of the visitors. The crowd is all over them right now.
Grabbed, the two centermen tied up, but there was a good reach there.
For fighting. Colorado penalty to number 16, Nikita.
Decides he wants the corner.
5-minute major for fighting. Time of the
Slides it to the point.
14 minutes, 6 seconds.
Marches on a cross. Gets that one on a cross. Knocks it away with the stick. Puck loose. Strong defensive play by James Neal. And now it's directed to Tatar. Onside. Scorches one. He scores. 2 in a row.
When you're an offensive player, you have that much time, you're allowed to take that big, heavy slap shot. Fortunately for the offensive team, they're rewarded with a big goal.
The goalie can only shake his head. He feels he should stop every shot on the glove side. He doesn't get to this one.
The Golden Knights now have a 2-goal lead, and we're late in the second period. Do they try to protect this, at least to get to the horn? Moved up the wing to Landeskog. Oh, broke it up. Battle for possession. Chip to Tatar. Takes that pass. Cranks a shot. Snaps one in there. Outstanding save. Oh, they had a great chance. Clips that wrist shot. Score! He's got his second of the game.
The goalie was surprised at how quick that snapshot got on him.
He barely slowed this down and deflected off of him into the net.
Vegas has a big lead here, and we have a whole period plus some more to play yet. They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Huge hit. Possession's gone.
Not very often you see a big hit like that in open ice.
Got it in his own end. That was the wall that stopped. Scrum over, puck kicked. The Golden Knights are skating it back in their own end. Gets in. What'll he do? Got his stick on it. Glides across. Shoots. He scores! 4 goals in a row for the same team.
Well, he had a lot of time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
Eddie, he just can't catch up to this. That is a rocket that beats him cleanly.
Goalie to the bench. Substitution made.
Well, it was pretty clear a little while ago in this game that this was not going to turn out well. He has not had a very good night. The coach looks like he's clearly fed up with it. And while the team has played very poorly, the #1 way to change the game is to take your goalie out.
Colorado's prevailed again on the face-off in the neutral zone.
27. Assisted.
Gets in. What'll he do? On to Zadorov. From the outside. That one caught iron.
18 minutes, 52 seconds.
Propelled to McNabb. Point blast. A wonderful save, and that just beat the clock, too. We've played 2 periods here of a 3-period game. The best part of the day is coming up.
Don't miss the chance to see the greatest talents in the world when they visit our city. See the official arena website for details on upcoming concerts.
Colorado's goaltender has had one of those nights, and so this score is lopsided, and we will return after he gets a rest and these words. We are entering the 3rd period. Based on the first 2, what are you expecting to happen?
Vegas takes a pretty comfortable lead here, Doc, to get ready for the 3rd period. It's been pretty easy to this point. Let's see how they play it with this comfortable lead.
3rd period just underway. Puck is thrown to Carrier. And snapped to Engelland. He knocked it in himself. It's in the net. It counts.
There's the old adage, get it to the net. You never know what can happen. This goes off the goaltender and in.
They've got the draw. Gains the zone. Got a piece of that one. Colorado's finding its way to center ice. Slid to Carrier. Lets it go. Outstanding work with the glove. I think this is a good point to hear from Ray Ferraro.
Paula's winning of the fight has really tipped the energy level over to his team. The game had started to become even, but since that fight, things have changed considerably.
That's good, Ray. I think he sure has his fans out there. Good reach there. The Avs want to generate something up the wing. Shoots it on. Hey! Directing that one to Tatar.
This guy's found the back of the net twice already, Doc.
That shot hit a man. Big drive. He scores! 2nd of the game. What a performance.
Roof tickler goes in from the high slot.
Sometimes your best isn't enough. This is a perfect shot up over a desperation attempted glove save.
A little under 4 minutes have gone by. When your car gets beyond 4 tires, I guess you can take a blowout. I don't know if we can take this one much longer. And that one shot down the ice, and it will be the icing.
And by number 88, time of the goal, 3 minutes, 40 seconds.
Clean win on the draw. Vegas carrying it up the wing. brings a shot with no time whatsoever. He turned it aside.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Laid on to Zadorov. To the point it comes. Nice job, straight stand-up poke check. The Golden Knights have control of the puck along the boards. Outstanding point-blank save. Fantastic shutdown. And at an angle to Johnson. Takes that pass from the other point man. Snapping a pass to Perron. It's an onside play. Colorado's finding its way to center ice. Mashed in. Pitching it to Perron. Oh, did he ever get mashed?
When he plays like that, there's nobody better.
Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. Wrists one. Solid glove save. Vegas looking to head man up the wing. The defense was in the way. Loose puck. Chip to Johnson. Rugby and hockey together at the boards. Has it back deep. Moving it to Andrighetto. And it's flown back in and players spill over the boards. To Belmar.
Belmar's passing in this game has been outstanding. He has 2 assists so far.
Score!
When he's the last man standing, he makes a desperation try for this, but it's not enough. Vegas has carried the play from the drop of the very first puck. They've run over their opponents almost all night long. They haven't had much pushback at all.
Looking to Reeves. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Just threw it into his pad there. The net was knocked off and so play is stopped. And they've taken that face-off between the blue lines and won it. Taken away. Pitching this one to Smith.
Tatar's been outstanding this evening. He's just jumped back on the ice. His coach doesn't want him resting too long. He's been so good all game.
Strong play by the D-man. Took away a chance. Making headway through the neutral zone. He's got that point pass. Looking for a better lane. The Golden Knights waiting back in the defensive zone. Gets across, looks over his options. Lets it go. Oh, what a hit. I mean, there is a code for these things.
Hull is clearly in some anguish here. He's working his way back to the bench, but he's hurt.
What a strong wrist shot. He beat everything but the post. Scooped up. Terrific challenge, outstanding save.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
A hammer shot from the point. The Avs move it ahead along the boards. Nice tip of the pass. Can he generate something? Slid back across from one point to the other. Pass cut. Gathered up by Como. Into the corner with that pass to Soderberg. So we're into the last minute. All is academic here. Gains the blue line. Shoots one. The glove like lightning.
Hull's injury was apparent as soon as you saw this hit. Huge collision, bone-rattling check.
Good job tying the man up on the faceoff. Teammate comes in. Thrown in. On to Spiza. Passing one off now to Bork. Gives it to the point. Just a backhand. Save! Pass attempt to Lindbergh. Into the attacking end. The outcome is not in doubt, but these guys are paid to work all 60 minutes, the men with the armbands, and so we have this call to deal with and enter on our show.
Well, in desperation mode, all he was trying to do was sweep the puck away, but unfortunately caught the player's skates.
Penalty to number 50.
Off the face-off, he ties his man up, and so the puck goes to his team.
Time of the penalty, 19 minutes, 43 seconds.
Points it. Propelled to Johnson. Fires. Oh, and it's off the mark. The game is over. Colorado's night is over, and there is great relief for that.
And I agree with that. They did not have any energy, any emotion. Back to the drawing board.
And again, we thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the evening as much as we did. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying good night.